We're here for Supervisor Smith's walk in the park, and we're going to be starting at the Walney Visitor Center and going down through the trail system along Walney Creek, and then eventually crossing over Walney Road to Big Rocky Run. We're starting here at the Stone House at Walney, and we'll be passing the Smokehouse, the Cow House, and the Ice House. We've got a lot of houses here. And we'll talk about the cultural history and how those buildings were used for the farm. And then when we get down near Walney Pond, we're going to be visiting the Woodlands Stewardship Education Center, which is our new building and an outside play structure, and explaining the features of that unique building.
So we started the walk in the park a few years ago, and this is probably our third one, and it's something I would love to turn into a yearly event, because I think it's great for people to learn about our community, about our parks.
And a lot of times I keep mentioning plants, more so than animals, even though I mentioned, emerald ash boring beetle or the spotted lanternfly.
And get out and enjoy this, the beautiful greenery and the animal sounds. And it's a great opportunity for people to get out and enjoy the resources we have in Fairfax County.
Eleanor Lawrence Park is 650 acres, so we are a square mile of green here in the Chantilly-Centerville area. And we have a lot of people that come to the park to walk the trails or use our ball fields, but surprisingly, not a lot of people have come to the programs at the cultural sites or our natural history programs. So we love it when we have new visitors and we can introduce them to their park that we're here to take care of for them.
We continue to be one Fairfax, and we ensure that any amenities we have, or anybody in our community can come and use them. So it's, spreading the word about what's here. I was talking with John earlier, and he said there's been a lot of school groups coming through the Stewardship Center. So just spreading the word by people getting around, but the county is very aware of, creating venues and experiences that everybody is able to access. But I think a benefit of doing a walk like this is anybody that came on this walk is going to learn more new stuff, and hopefully they will share that with other people they meet.
I come here to do this for you all because it's yours. It's your park.
We've had a great time here today on our walk. Please go to the county website, fairfaxcounty.gov, to learn more. And we hope to see you out here in Eleanor C. Lawrence Park.